Today I'm going to be reviewing the Bitvae smart toothbrush. This is a Bluetooth smart toothbrush. So let's unbox it and see what's in it. In this Bitvae toothbrush, you have a bunch of toothbrush heads, about 8 of them, different styles of toothbrush heads. You also have in it a charger, and also you have the toothbrush case. Okay, so the toothbrush case has the base, the operational part of the toothbrush. And one thing I like is that once you turn it on, you can see that it comes with different modes, 5 modes in total, and also it has 9 levels of ultrasonic levels. So I love it. Before you use this, always charge it first. So once your toothbrush has been charged, you want to also download the app. It's in the manual. So download the app and then go about setting up the app to use with your toothbrushing experience. Now with this app, it helps you see where you are missing, what you're doing wrong, and it also has a timer. So I love that I'm able to use the timer to brush my teeth thoroughly. I also love that the battery life is really fast. So if you're using this, just be mindful of charging it, and once you charge it, you get up to 100 days of battery life compared with others. Now one thing I also like is I like that this gives me deep cleaning. So we get 6 deep cleaning brush heads and 2 soft brush heads. So overall, this is a win-win for me.